Okay, this is the wind noise in my 2020 Ram with 9,000 miles on it. It's been in essentially 3 times where they've actually focused on the correct problem. Twice it was in they had a bad direction, so they were looking at something else which wasn't correct. So the wind noise is from the left front door, and this is just at 80 miles an hour, which is, you know, typical driving speed. This is the kind of noise that I'm getting from the B pillar. Sometimes it'll get worse. A pillar could get pretty bad at the A pillar, and on windier days. So if I turn off the HVAC, you can feel pressure change in the vehicle. I'm going 75. Let me get back up to 80 here. And we're back up to 80. No wind noise. And let me turn the HVAC back on. I'm at 82 miles an hour. And you can hear the wind noise. So that is the issue. It's the only door I'm having an issue with. Everything else, both rear and right front, there's no noise.